welcome to this video. And in this video, we are going to see another custom GPT which is so cool, and that is Show-Me. That is Show-Me. Okay, so what does this Show-Me plugin, I can say, or a custom GPT do is basically it helps us in visualizing the things. Okay, it helps us in visualizing the things. So I will type in the prompt and it will come up with a a visualization of that particular thing, right? So let us see that, right? Let us see that. It's a sample. Let's see that. So I have asked him, okay, always allow. Okay, so I have asked him that the internet explained sequence. Okay, so I have asked him to this thing, the internet explained sequence. So yes, it is doing something. It is creating a diagram. Okay, so yes, it has created this diagram where he has explained the sequence of how your internet works, right? So let's see how view full screen, right? Okay, so this is what he has generated, and now we can visualize that. Okay, I am a user and I type URL and hit enter. Then on this browser, right? Then what happens on this browser? This browser requests the web page to ISP, that is your internet service provider, right? And it query for the IP address, because see, ISP always have the IP addresses, right? So this IP addresses, and he will search for this IP address on this DNS server, right? If the IP address found, then it will return me the IP address, right? The IP address found, and it will get back to me, right? And otherwise if not on the DNS, then it will request the web page at the IP server somewhere and fetch the data from the database, and something it will do like this, right? So this is the whole scenario of how your internet works, right? How your internet works, right? Okay, perfect. Let us ask him to what should I ask? Tell me the process of photo synthesis. Okay. So I am asking him to tell me the process of photosynthesis, like how photosynthesis happen, right? Let us see how photosynthesis happen. And this is, trust me, this is so much useful for the kids, for the students, right? So see, it is saying that okay, there is sunlight, chloroplast, and something happen. No, it's not clear. It's not clear. No, uh, it's not clear. Give me more detailing in simpler words. Okay, let's see. Okay, so yes, now this is more clear, right? Now this is more clear. It is saying that okay, sunlight, water from soil. Okay, the light reaction happens here. It produces some energy. It produces oxygen released into air, right? So this oxygen is released into air. Okay, and then it's a dark reaction over here. Then something happens. So yes, we can of course ask them for more details. But right now, let me say, can you generate image explaining explaning explaining the I want him to, I will give him the code and he will draw the diagram for that code. Okay, I'm asking that. Can you please explaining the code, let's see. Oh no, no, I'm not asking this. Okay, I'll say okay. Will I will give you a JS code. JS code. Can you build me a diagram, diagram diagram explaining that code. Let's see. Of course, yes. So it can help me with that code also. Okay, so let us type a sample code. Okay, sample JS code. Let's see. Okay, so what I want. Okay, this is my. I will copy this sample code. Okay. I'm not sure whether it will work or not. I just want a. No, I don't know what I want. Okay, palindrome number. Okay, so palindrome. JS code for palindrome. Okay, so let's give him this code. Okay, so I'll simply copy this code. Right, and I will paste it here. Let's see. No, array, this is not my code. Come on, this is my code. I have to copy it from here. Sorry, yeah, this is my code. Okay, so yeah, this is my code. I will check for this part. Let's see what does it do for this particular code. And trust me, this is going to be so much fun, guys. This is going to be so much interesting, so interesting. So if you guys don't have interest in programming part, try this. Try this. So what does it says? What does it say? Okay. So it says we have a start function is palindrome. Okay. So this is my start function. We declare j, right? Then perfect. Loop through the first half of string. Okay. Loop to the first half of string. If loops end, return true. Okay, return true. And agar if loop is not end, if it's not end over here, then what you need to do, compare the string at the ith position with the string at the jth position. If not equal, right, if not equal, then return false. If equal, then return continue. And then this loop will again and again continue. Plus, but if your loops end, then test the something something test with Nitin. Okay, so these are the testing wo. So it has provided, right? Yeah, it has provided something perfect. So this is to check with your palindrome number, right? So I don't know whether this is correct or not, but I believe it is correct. Okay, okay. So yeah, maybe recursion code. Let us try with recursion code, right? Let us try with recursion code, and I want JS code for recursion. JS code for recursion. Let's see. Let's see. What does it do? Okay. This is JavaScript recursion code. Perfect. Or maybe I'm not sure about that. I will copy this and I will paste it over here. Let's see what does it do. I will create a diagram explaining the logic for the recursive factorial function. The diagram is the highlight the base function and okay, perfect. Let's see it. Let's see it. So we are just giving the code and it is making the diagram. So simple. So simple. See, okay. Start function, check if number is greater than 1. And if it is greater than 1, then we have to do this. No, and if not greater than 1, then we have just hit the base case. We just have to hit the base case. That's it. Okay. And if it is true, then return number into factorial of num minus 1. Okay. Perfect. Call factorial with, and again, it is again calling this function. See, it is again calling this function. Call factorial 3, factorial 1. And if it is 1, then it's done. Perfect. So the factorial of 3 is 6. Okay. I want more detailing. Okay. More detailing. Okay. So I want more detailing in this. Let's see. Now he's breaking down each and every step for the clarity purpose. I'm so excited to view this. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay. So see this diagram. It is saying that, okay, I'll start with the factorial of number. So here number is 3. Okay. The number is 3 here. So he will start with the function called factorial 3. He will check if 3 is greater than 1. So he'll say that yes, 3 is greater than 1. Right. So if it is true, then it will return number into factorial of num minus 1, right? So yeah, you can understand this diagram you're on. Okay, so it is again coming here, going back, coming here, going back, coming here, going back, coming, right? So it is again, see what is doing. The first step is he is coming to this statement, right? This statement, then calling the factorial, then again checking the number, then coming to this statement, calling factorial, then again coming to this condition, returning something, calling function, checking condition, returning something, calling function, checking condition, right? It is again and again doing, and this is what recursion is, right? This is what recursion is. We just keep on doing the things until we hit to our base condition. That's it. That's it, if I'm not wrong. I don't know what recursion is, but yes, I believe that this is recursion. Okay. So yeah, that's it, I guess. Now you guys are familiar with this GPT, which is Show Me, and you can always use these kind of GPTs to visualize the things. Now, suppose if you want to visualize, okay, let us visualize one thing that okay, man riding horse, man riding horse in space. In space, let us visualize this thing, man riding horse in space. Okay, and then what we will do? Oh, that's so cool. That's so cool. Now see, man riding horse, riding elephant. Man riding horse, riding elephant in space. Let us see. Let us see. Let us see. Let us see. I can't visualize. I can visualize that, but let us see. No, 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 no. I don't want this. I want man on horse and horse on elephant. Come on, SPAC space. Let us see. Man on horse and horse on elephant. Okay. Let us ask him to visualize this. No, he is not able to visualize that. Okay. So first of all, horse on elephant in space. Let us see. Let us see. Okay. Let us see. Horse on elephant in space. I don't know. I'm doing what I'm doing. I don't know. Okay, yeah, that's it. There you go. There you go. Oh my god. There you go. There you go. This is the picture of the course, I guess. Okay. Okay. So that is the power of GPT. Okay. That is the power of GPT. That is the power of GPT. Oh, no, I'll not go further. Okay. I have something in my mind, but okay, that's it. That's it. Let us end this video here only, and otherwise I'll just keep on moving further. Okay, so yes, that's it for this video, and we'll meet you again in the other video. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.